There's now even more reason to love the industry's best floating dock products from Wave Armor. Get ahead of the season and spend more time on the water this spring. Wave Armor products are built to last. Install them in the winter on most bodies of water, even in the Great North, and enjoy seamless access when the ice melts.
As long as you don't have the ice damming and the ice shifting, that it actually tears the ice up and pushes it onto your beach, this dock can be left in all year round.
Engineered with roto-molded construction for ultimate durability, filled with marine-grade foam for unmatched stability, and designed with modularity and aesthetics in mind. Start your season early and enjoy more time beyond the shoreline with Wave Armor.
This is really 2 years in the making of building out my dream dock. I really wanted to buy something that would actually be a lifetime purchase, and that is this dock. With a floating dock, you don't really have to worry about what that water level is going to be like in the spring. You install it now and it'll rise and fall with whatever that water level is going to be. So truly a maintenance-free product. The other thing that was really exciting for me is that now I can get rid of some of those unsightly docks that I've had in the past, those roll-in docks, right? And those are no longer sitting on my shoreline. You know, another thing that's truly exciting about Wave Armor is you don't have to build your dream dock today. You can truly build a 3 to 5 year plan and use our dock builder to build that dream dock and pull apart pieces that you can buy in year 2, year 3, year 4, and year 5. And truly it's a gift that keeps on giving. Like many of you, I waited last season to get my dock installed, and I found myself where I missed the window to get really the dream dock that I wanted, which is installed today. So get in front of the line, don't wait, now is the time. So super excited, and I just can't wait to try it and enjoy the summer.
Wave Armor. Live beyond the shoreline.